What's up everyone, this is Scott with Team 512 and I'm back with another video. This time I have a very special guest in the Team 512 garage. This is Rick from Feynlab Detailing and he's going to do some work to the paint on my 2017 Grand Sport. Rick, why don't you talk a little bit about what you're going to be doing to the Grand Sport today?
Yep, first of all, congratulations. Got an awesome new ride and I'm real excited to get it looking good and protected. So today, I'm usually, when I do a video, I'm usually in front of my Feynlab banner trying to promote that business, but today we got the Team 512. And what does 512 stand for, Team 512?
So I've actually never really talked about this in any of my videos, but I guess you guys will find out today what the 512 means. And it's probably more meaningful to me than it is to you, but I have two kids and their birthdays both fall on the 5th, and my wife's birthday is on the 12th. So I kind of incorporated their birthdays into this thing that I do with Corvettes so that we could all feel like we're a part of the experience even when they're not here with me. So thanks for asking, Rick. That's the first time I've actually had a chance to tell you guys what Team 512 actually means.
And what's great about that too is now you can never have an excuse to forget anybody's birthday. So
perfect.
You're locked in now.
That's perfect.
So that's great.
And so what are the steps that we're going to be doing from start to finish on the C7?
Yep, start to finish. Step one is we're going to analyze the paint, evaluate it, and see what we're working with.
And what are you looking for when you're analyzing the paint?
The first thing we're going to do is just visually look at everything and see if anything sticks out. I asked Scott earlier if he knew of any scratches, and then we would take care of those, but it's a beautiful vehicle. There aren't any scratches on it, so we don't have to do any high-speed correction, that type of thing. Then Scott's got a really great setup here, so we're going to take advantage of his lift and we'll get it up in the air. That way we can get the sides real good, get the car so low to the ground. That's going to be a big help as far as doing the bumpers, the back bumper and sides, get all that real good. Then to coat it, I don't know, we might take it outside, I don't know. So we'll do that. We'll figure that out when we get to it. And then when we're all done coating it, we'll go over the maintenance and get some beauty shots.
Sounds great. Awesome. Well, let's get started, Rick.
All right, let's do it.
Look who's here. He made it all the way from dirty Jersey to hang out at the Team 512 garage.
Dirty Jersey, baby, that's right.
What's going on, man?
Oh, man, I smell some wicked smells when I go off the turnpike. What's happening, Rick?
Hey,
I thought you'd be filming.
No. Maybe. Eventually.
Look at that shirt. Turn around. See, you guys need to get one of these shirts. Not because of the front, but because of the back.
Yeah, it looks good. It's a good looking, real good looking shirt.
Details down in the description. Get one. Notice Rick is spending a lot of time on the hood of the C7, and that's because the hood of the car, the hood of a Corvette, really is the showpiece, because people are going to look at that first, and when you're at a car show and you lift the hood up, it becomes really evident real fast how good the paint is on the hood when it's sitting vertical with the sun hitting it. So we want to make sure that the hood looks as good as it possibly can. The rest of the car, we probably won't spend so much time with the rotary first. We'll probably just hit it with some polish because the rest of the paint isn't as bad as the hood was. But for 1,000 miles, there was some pretty, I don't say significant scratches, but there was some scratching going on. So. All right, so Rick is busy inside the garage continuing to prep the panels for the ceramic coating. We're gonna compound the entire car with 105 and then come back with Feynlab's 1000 polish, and we're gonna go over all the panels again, polish it out real nice before we apply the ceramic coating. But we need to eat. We're hungry. It's lunchtime, and my man Dave's here. We're gonna go for a ride in the YellowVette for the first time. Let's do it. All right, we got the car up on the lift now. It's time to continue compounding out the paint. We haven't polished really anything. The hood's finished. We've compounded and polished the hood, so it's all ready to go. But the next step is to finish compounding the sides of the car here, the doors, and the front fenders, and the very front of the car. Once we get that all compounded out, we're gonna get the polish, and we're gonna go ahead and polish everything while it's up on the lift, put the car back down, and then we'll polish the top surfaces and wipe everything down and get it ready to go for the ceramic coating. All right, so the car has been fully prepped. It's been compounded and polished out. We pulled it out into the sun for about 2 minutes, and then as you can see, it started raining. Yeah, my C5 hasn't been out in the rain probably for a very long time. So this will be a good chance for me to check for any leaks. So here's what the C7 looks like now that we've had a chance to prep.
Fully corrected.
Yeah, so not only is the paint prepped, it's fully corrected. So we did a two-stage or two-step paint correction. We used 105, Meguiar's 105, and then we went back with the Feynlab's 1000 polish. And now we're about to use the Feynlab final prep, and we're going to spray the car, wipe it down, and then it'll be ready for the ceramic coat to be applied. All right, so Rick just got finished ceramic coating the passenger side of the car, and now he's on to the hood. But I want to show you guys, just after, I don't know, 15-20 minutes of doing the passenger side, I mean, it looks darker, richer, shinier, wetter black. Here, check this out. I mean, look at that reflection. You can see the floor. Wow. Look at that. It almost looks like a mirror. I mean, I could shave my head in that. What do you think, Dave?
Oh, definitely.
That's a head shaver?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so the hood is drying now, but you can see the ceramic coat on the surface of the hood. It's kind of streaky, so it's beginning to go through the drying process. And once it starts to get a little tacky, Rick's going to wipe it down, and we're going to see some more of that shine coming out. And apparently after a day or so, or more, the car will actually get even shinier, which I can't imagine it looking any better than it does now. But yeah. Rick just got finished up ceramic coating the entire Grand Sport, and we started this morning. Rick showed up about 7:30, and it's close to 4:30 right now. We've been at it all day, but we did do a full color correction. We took a pizza break too, and I'm thrilled with the results. I mean, the car looks absolutely amazing. I want to hear what Rick has to say about it though. How do you feel the car turned out?
I think the car turned out fantastic. I'm really happy with the results. I mean, it looks like a brand new car. It only has about 1,100 miles on it, but it's probably as good or better than when it came from the factory. And I just want to thank you, Scott, for having me over here and using your great facilities here in Team 512. And now I can rest easy knowing that the brand new C7 is corrected and protected. Looking awesome.
Beautiful, and I'm thrilled to have had you here, and I'm glad you could make some time today to come out and give me a hand with this. I learned a lot from Rick, and I've got a beautiful looking car. And like I said, I wanted to pull it out into the sun, but I don't want to open these garage doors because it's really, really humid, and I don't want the humidity to hit the ceramic coat for another couple days until it has time to at least set up and cure. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching. Remember, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button while you're at it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.